Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I've got something from my favorite store, Hermes. And yes, they have always got nice beautiful stuff. So just today, I picked up something from them. But before that, let's take a look at the paper bag. So if you notice that this time around, that paper bag is a little different. It's a bit more redder at the bottom, like reddish color at the bottom, and as you go to the top is the normal typical orange MS color. So the reason why they have this different color combo is to commemorate the launch of their lipstick. I believe all of you have seen the lipstick line. There's so many different colors and a lot are very beautiful natural color, and some are set to the more brownish and nudie tone, and some are more pinkish. So you guys guess what I got today? In fact, I'm thinking of breaking this video into different parts because I've got different items here. As you can see, I have got 3 different boxes. It's very interesting. Because sometimes when I go to the store, I don't see or fancy anything that I like, and sometimes when I go into the store, I buy so many. Isn't this beautiful? Well, so probably I'll break this video down into part 1, part 2, and part 3. So shall we take a look at the first item? We go from left to right. Sure. So this is our first item, and it is beautifully wrapped, and I really love this. So this is a nice orange box, and it is, if you notice, if it is in this box, it means it's a fine jewelry. If you have seen my previous video, I have got other fine jewelry that I unboxed, and this is another new piece that I got from Hermes today. And here is what I got. How do I even open this? It's so tight. Wow, it's hard. Super tight. 1 minute. Whew. Okay, got it. Alright, let's take a look. Isn't it beautiful? There you go. It is a diamond earring, and it's from the new collection. And it's fully encrusted with diamond from the top onto the middle, which is their classic design. And at the bottom is hanging one piece of diamond over here. And this is in white gold color. From what I understand, the store doesn't have the rose gold or gold version, so I took this. I think it's pretty nice. It's considered pretty dainty, and it's classic. Isn't it glittery? Initially I was thinking like I should get something like a little longer, so it goes dangling in the ear. But when I put this and tried it on the ear, I thought, hey, I should get one of this too, because it's quite nice, and it's very shimmery and shiny. I'm not sure if the video over here do it justice, but for me I can tell that it's pretty glittery. You can see And basically this earring goes well with almost any outfit, like from white color to black color tank top. Whether if you tie up your hair or let it down, it will go pretty well with almost anything. So I thought this is a pretty safe choice for me, and I'm so excited that I cannot wait to wear it tomorrow. Look at the side. Yeah. So what do you guys think? If you like it, click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe, okay? And I'm gonna go to the other two unboxing later, so I'll have two more videos coming up. So this is the first one. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video where I unbox the other two items, okay? See you guys in the next one. Bye guys.